I always try to put thread tape on anything I'm working on with these airlines. Trying to eliminate as much leaks as possible. And this 14mm or 9/16, that's this one to hold right here, and then you just use a crescent wrench or anything that'll fit on this to turn it. Alright, and that's ready to go. If you gotta air up your tire, or anything, just connect this to your red airline right here, push in your trailer knob, and you just air it up with this. So I'll put one of them in each truck, that way if the driver come in the morning or he on the road, got a tire that needs some air, he had a customer or something, he could air up the tire instead of riding around with a tire with low air. Could air it up. If you gotta go somewhere get the tire fixed, at least you could air it up to get moving.